And we got TechCheck coming up, right?
Yeah.
Very exciting.
Really exciting to see the debut of this new tech-centered show, which is going to kick off right now. That's going to do it for Squawk on the Street. TechCheck starts right now. Stay tuned.
Good Monday morning. Welcome to the premiere of TechCheck, our new show about the business of technology on CNBC. I'm Carl Quintanilla with John Ford and Deirdre Bosa. What a news day to kick off our premiere. Microsoft making another bold acquisition today. Satya Nadella is going to talk Nuance, the company he's buying. Tech policy and regs, a key issue of the moment. Intel's Pat Gelsinger joins us ahead of the White House Chip Summit today. And Uber announcing a new cycle high on mobility. Dara Khosrowshahi is going to join us in another TechCheck exclusive. Dee?
Can't wait for that. And of course, Carl, tech has become such a dominant market story. So we will also be covering the biggest stories and opportunities for investors. Today, Alibaba shares surging following a huge antitrust fine. Tesla is higher after an upgrade over at Canaccord. And Bitcoin closes in on another record high ahead of Coinbase's listing this week. Much more on all three of those stories, John.
Yeah, Deirdre. Today's most important thing in tech, though, cloud and AI growth strategy that's reflected in Microsoft's near $20 billion bid, including debt for Nuance Communications, in what would be Microsoft's second largest acquisition ever behind LinkedIn. Now, buying Nuance is an important step in expanding Microsoft's presence in healthcare, and the company has said cloud transformation is now moving from a consumer focus where it started deeper into industries. That's where the competition is. Nuance could pave the way for deeper industry relationships in cloud and AI even outside of healthcare. The $16 billion number, by the way, represents a 23% premium over Friday's close. If you don't include debt, you're looking at $16 billion for Nuance. And you can see the impact on Nuance stock this morning, right now up about 17%. More from our interview with Satya Nadella later this hour. But Carl, this is exactly the kind of story that we are centered on here on TechCheck, the meaning behind it. You see AWS in the cloud bigger than everybody else. So if you're Microsoft, if you're Google, if you're IBM, if you're Oracle, how do you catch up? Well, the game here is not just top line growth, it's also profit. So if you're Satya Nadella, you're probably thinking about, how do I leverage my strengths in enterprise, in software to get more value to customers? This Nuance play, going deep in healthcare, is one attempt to do that.